Hello Pega aspirants, are you struggling to understand Pega concepts? No worries, Harsha Trainings is here to help you understand Pega in depth. In this video, I am going to explain you about modes of data page in detail, like read-only, editable, savable, when we use what mode of data page. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts regarding any topic of Pega, post your question in the comment section of this video. Let's get started now.
Structure of data page, and I'm going to cover now modes. What is that I'm going to cover? Modes of data page. Modes. See, data page will be available in one of the three modes. You can choose read only, editable, savable. Three modes are there. I'll explain you one by one. Read only mode of data page. So read only mode means data page is read only on clipboard, cannot be deleted from clipboard. Cannot be deleted from clipboard. Look at here. If you go to clipboard, user pages you are aware of so far, correct? Now you go to data pages. Expand data pages. There is a data page available. I am right clicking on it to delete. Am I able to delete? I'm not able to delete the data page because delete option is disabled. Go to user pages and right click on a page and delete option is there. So that means data pages which are read only type, read only mode gets created on clipboard under data pages category. Data pages which are of read only mode gets created on clipboard under which category? Data pages category. Data pages which are of read only mode gets created on clipboard under data pages category, which cannot be deleted from the clipboard. Okay, now data pages which are editable or savable will be getting created on clipboard under user pages category. Under user pages also you see it on data pages, no? D underscore. These are either editable or savable data pages. This is where the data page exists on clipboard. If it is read only where it exists on clipboard under data pages category. If it is editable under user pages category. If it is read only, data page will be available under data pages category where you have thread requester node, means thread scope of data page will be available under thread option. All requester scope of data pages will be available under requester option. All node scope of data pages will be available under node option. And so again on the clipboard under data pages you have three segregations: thread, requester and node. Thread means it will be available under thread scope. You can easily find out here. Okay, clear everyone? Now another point I will tell you. That is, so read only I told. Okay, and what we have seen, data page cannot be removed from clipboard. Data page cannot be removed from clipboard. If it is read only scope, you cannot delete the data page from the clipboard. Not possible. It is not possible. Then how the data page will be removed? When it will be removed? See, I have created one data page, some source, some type. Scope is node scope or so scope is node scope. Data page is created by first requester. It is available for sharing for all other requesters. All other requesters, data page is available for sharing. Right? Clear everyone? Now, when it will be removed? Today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when it will be removed? When the server is restarted, it will be deleted. Server you shut down, it will be gone. That is a possible situation because you are shutting down the server. Obviously, everything will be gone. Data page related. Other than that, when you get the requirement for read-only data pages, and business people will tell you how frequently the data will change in the source. See, example we have discussed now. What is the example? Like data related to fixed deposit interest rate in a bank. Okay. How frequently fixed deposit interest rate will change? How frequently it will change in a bank? Every day? Every minute? Is it going to change every day, every minute, fixed deposit interest rates? And how frequently interest rates will change? Usually, maybe 3 months, worst case. Otherwise, sometimes 1 year. Sometimes 1 year also it will not change. Everything is stable economy, even 5 years also it will not change. So it's pretty rare. It's not so frequently data is changing. Data is changing maybe once in 3 months, once in 4 months, at least once in 24 hours. Okay, like that. So where the common data, which is shared data. Common data means everyone, same data is needed. and this data is also not frequently changing. In such situation, you will go for data pages because data sharing is needed. When data is not frequently changing and common for everyone, I can fetch one time and place it on clipboard and share it with everyone, correct? Now, when the data gets refreshed, 3 months, once in 3 months, let's say, for example. Otherwise, once in 24 hours, they told. Every one day from our end, data will be changing. Midnight, 12 o'clock will change every day. That's what business people told. Now, by midnight, 1 o'clock, automatically data page should be deleted. Okay. Midnight, 12 o'clock, automatically data page should get deleted. In that case, you will go to load management tab at the time of creating data page, read only data page. You will give here 1 day. We'll give here how many days? 1 day. Then data page is created now. Automatically it will be deleted after 1 day. So again, when it will be created, is it going to get, once it is deleted automatically by PRPC, is it going to get created automatically? No, it will be created when a new request is made. I'll tell you that point now. Look at here. For our better understanding, we'll take the data page refresh time is 1 hour. Every 1 hour, data will change in the table. Within 1 hour, we'll get 1 million requests. Such a big application is ours. Within one hour, we'll get almost 1 million requests for the same data. So that 1 million times it will be shared. After 1 hour, we will change the data in the table. So once we change the data, latest data should come. Latest data should come means database should not exist on the clipboard. If it exists, always Pega will copy. Remember one thing. If data page exists, Pega will copy. It will not go to source. When data page doesn't exist, then only Pega will go to actual table for data. So every 1 hour, if you delete the data page from clipboard, so after 1 hour, what will happen? Automatically Pega will go to table so that latest data will be pulled because they are changing every 1 hour. Understand clear, everyone? Now here you go. So there is a data page D underscore page 1. So for its refresh time is 1 hour. 1 hour is refresh time. Okay. Then after refresh time is equal to 1 hour, what else? I told, okay, 1 hour. It is read only data page. Now, so first operator A has reached out and requested for D underscore page 1. Operator 1 has executed something. As part of execution, D underscore page 1 is encountered. Then he has done it at 8 a.m. He has done it at 8 a.m. First person. So data page is D underscore page 1 gets created. D underscore page 1 gets created and loaded for him. Done. Now at operator B, he is also requested for D underscore page 1. He also requested for D underscore. At what time he requested? 8:30. At what time he requested? 8:30 a.m. Now you tell me, D underscore page 1 is going to get created for him or it will be shared? D underscore page 1. Is it going to get freshly created for operator B or it is going to get copied or shared?
Shared.
Shared or copied. Copied means shared. Okay. So now next, what is the next one? Operator C came. C came at 9:15. For 9:15 for D and for operator C, data page is going to get created or shared?
Created.
It's created. Why it is created? You said
Because
in between,
of 1 hour.
what happened? At 9 a.m. D underscore page 1 got removed. Obviously, it is been removed automatically by Pega because you have mentioned as 1 hour. So now it is created at 9:15 by operator C. Now after some time, operator D came. So operator D came. Requested for D underscore page 1 at 9:45 10:10. He requested at 10:10. Now tell me, D underscore page 1, is it going to get created or is it going to get shared or copied?
Shared.
Created.
Why it is shared? At 10 o'clock it would have been removed, no?
Because it was created at 9:15.
9:15. Automatically it won't be created. Once removed, it won't be created. Refresh doesn't mean reload. Refresh means delete only. Refresh means delete only. So instead of writing refresh strategy, they would have removed it. They would have instead of writing reload, they would have written like delete if older than. Delete if older. You can understand it like delete if older than. So 1 hour it got deleted. At 9:15 it is created so that it will be again deleted after 1 hour from 9:15. You understand the refresh strategy of now? Everyone clear? Online students, are you clear? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now the data page, they have given one requirement. See, at 1 hour, we will reload the data. That's what usually they told you. Refresh it for every 1 hour. But when they give you requirement, they told another point. So at 1 hour time is over, when it is trying to be deleted, before it deletes, we need to verify a condition. Some condition is there. If condition is satisfied, don't reload the data page. Don't delete it. Continue for next 1 hour. Delete only when the condition is satisfied, even after the time is over. Otherwise, the same page should exist on the clipboard. That's what they told. So now you will call a condition here. You call a when rule here. Do not reload when means at the time of 1 hour is over, 8 o'clock data page is created. At 9 o'clock, it has to be deleted now. But before deleting, it will verify the condition. If the condition is satisfied, this data page won't be removed. It will be continued for next cycle. It will be continued for next cycle. So after at 10 again, it will verify. When this condition is not satisfied, then only it will be deleted from the clipboard. Understand clear, everyone? Online students, are you clear? This is reverse. Do not reload. Do not reload. Are you clear, every one of you?
Yeah.
Every one of you, are you clear with refresh strategy? Everyone.
Yes.
If you are clear, I will ask you one question. Okay. I will tell you one scenario and I will ask you one question. Okay. Just you are a developer. Imagine yourself, you are a developer. Developer means you have access to tables also. You have access to customer table. So in customer table, you have data. You are fetching one record from customer table. What is the record? This first record you are fetching. You are fetching by using data page. By using what? The data page is read-only data page, and it has a refresh strategy of 1 hour. Okay. Now your requirement is that you need to fetch the data from this table and run some test case and implement something. Now the implementation that you have done by using data page, you want to run 3 to 4 test cases with the different data. That means same record, you need to change the value. 25 you have tested, it is working fine. You need to test with 16. Test with what? 16. For 16 also, it should function the same way. Some requirement can be. So you want to change this value and run multiple test cases using the same data page. The data page will pull the data from here. One time when it pulls, it is 25. Another time you want to run one more time and see whether it is working fine or not when the value of age is 16. You want to again verify when the value of age is 30. Like that, you wanted to go and verify the data page execution. Okay, clear everyone? For that, you are a developer, no? You create a data page. How long it will take to create data page to fetch the record? Maximum 2 minutes. So 2 minutes it has taken. You created, okay, good. At 8 o'clock, you have executed the data page, which has pulled this record from the table. So data page is created on clipboard and it has a record. All the details are available on data page. You have executed your test case. Everything is working fine. Now you want to run second test case by executing the data page again. But when you are executing this time, you want to change the value from 25 to 27 and you want to see whether the data page is still same, behaving correctly when the value of age is 27. So you executed data page again. It has to pull the data from this table. That's the actual functionality. Now you tell me data page refresh time is how long? 1 hour. So first you have executed at 8 o'clock. It has pulled the data. 25 value came. So one test case is over. Second test case, you want to change the value in table to 27 and then test it. Now at 8:05, you have again executed the data page. At 8:05, again you have executed the data page. And before that, you changed the value from 25 to 27. After first test case is over, you changed the value from 25 to 27. At 8:05, you executed data page again. Now tell me, now on the clipboard, data page contains the value of age as 25 or 27?
25.
25 only. Why 25 only?
It's not reloaded. It's just
It will not be reloaded because it is still already there. At second scenario, I mean, like when you do second test case, when you execute second time the data page at 8 o'clock 5 minutes, Pega will go to clipboard and see if the data page is available. It's already available there or not there. It's already available there. So Pega will copy from that. Pega will not go to table. Only when data page is not there, it will go to table. Understand clear, everyone? Online students, are you clear? So you cannot run a test case using 27. If you want to run the test case using 27 value to bring from table, how long you should wait? 1 hour. Is it okay? A developer waits for 1 hour to run the test case? No. Then is it possible for a developer to go to clipboard and directly delete the data page, which is read only? It is not possible. That is not possible. This is not. I don't want to wait for 1 hour. I cannot delete the data page from clipboard because it is read only, created under data pages category. For right click, delete option is not available. Then how can I run my test case quickly? That I will tell you. Now for that reason, Pega provided one option under load management. A button is provided. Clear data page. So as a developer, right, you can open the data page and at 8.5 when you are running second test case, click on clear data page and choose the flush option in the pop-up. Flush option and then submit. Data page is removed from the clipboard now. Data page is removed from the clipboard. Understand? Now, if I run the test case at 8.5 after doing this particular task, am I going to get the value of 27? So this is provider for testing purpose or forcefully removing from clipboard. For this internally, Pega will run one OOTB activity. That is flush declarative flush declarative page. What is the OOTB activity internally gets executed when you click on this button? Flush declarative page OOTB activity gets executed when you click on the button clear data page. So data page is a shared page on server's clipboard. Data page is an instance of class rule declare pages. A data page name must start with d underscore or declare underscore. Data page can be available in one of the two structures, page or list structure. If you want to load one record, you will create page structure. If you want to load multiple records, you will create list structure. Data page has sources of activity, report definition, data transform, lookup, connector, robotic process automation, desktop automation, and aggregate source. Data page can be available in one of the three structures, three scopes, thread requester and node scope. Thread scope of data page means it will be available for sharing multiple times within single work object, but not with other work objects. Requester scope of data page means it will be available for sharing among multiple work objects of a single requester session, but not with work objects of other requester session. Database scope is node means data page will be available for sharing among multiple requesters who log on to the same node, but not with the requesters of another node. Okay. And data page will be available in one of the two modes, that is three modes, that is read only, editable, savable. Read only mode of data page will be created on clipboard under data pages category, which cannot be deleted by right clicking on clipboard. And for read only data pages, Pega provides load management tab refresh strategies, where you can mention the number of days, hours, minutes, seconds, whatever the time duration that you mention. Once the time duration is over, automatically data page gets deleted and it will be recreated again when the new request is being made. And you can prevent it by conditionally. Do not reload when you can prevent it. For developer purpose, to delete the data, read-only data pages anytime from the clipboard, Pega provides one button called clear data page. When you click on this and choose the option of flush and submit, then data page will get forcefully removed from the clipboard. To delete this internally, Pega will run one OOTB activity, flush declarative page. What is the OOTB activity? Flush declarative page. Make sense clear, everyone? These are the points we discussed. Now, proceeding further. If you select Saveable Data Page, Load Management tab, you won't see any refresh strategy, because Saveable Data Pages also can be deleted directly from the clipboard, because these data pages gets created on clipboard under user pages. These will not be created under data pages category. Saveable Data Pages gets created on clipboard under user pages. The purpose of Saveable Data Page is you can either insert a new record into table, or you can update a record from table. This is an alternate for OBJ save method. This is an alternate for OBJ save method. What is alternate for OBJ browse? Report definition. What is alternate for another alternate for OBJ browse? Data page with report as a source is also alternate for OBJ browse. List type of data page you created with a source of report definition. So you will browse plus you will share. This is also alternate for OBJ browse method. So now OBJ save method, what is the alternate? We need to avoid creating activities. Using activities you need to avoid. That's the best practice in Pega. Correct? So Pega comes up with so many alternate rules for activities. One of those alternate rule is data transform. Data page. Data transform, data page, report definition. All these are being introduced into Pega as alternates rules for activity only. Data transform is the alternate for property set. Data page is the alternate for browsing, saving, updating, all that, editing, everything. And data report definition is the alternate for only browsing. Okay. Now, Saveable Data Page gets created on clipboard under user pages category. For Saveable Data Page, there won't be any refresh strategy, because you can directly remove or you can do page remove, all that. page remove will work out. For read only, page remove won't work out. Okay. Now, savable data page, if you create, it will insert a new record into table, or you can update the record from the table, which is available in the table. How do you call savable data page? Where do you call it? A savable data page can be called from flow action. Can be called from where? Flow action. There is a power cut now. If there is any discontinuity in the internet connection, I'll reconnect. Okay, but as of now, even though power cut is there, we are running on backup. So action tab, scroll down here. You remember OBJ save related activity we called in post processing of flow action. In the post processing of flow action, just above this, you see add data page. This is savable data page. You can call a savable data page in the post processing of flow action. Understand? That is a place where you can call savable data page. What is another place to call savable data page? Savable data pages can also be called from flow using save data page method. What is the, sorry, using save data page flow shape. Using save data page flow shape. Where is it? Here you go. Automation shapes, save data page. Where is it? And save data page. So if you use this option, flow shape, double click on it. Here you can call the data page. Save data page. Saveable data page can be called from two places as of now. One is flow shape, that is save data page flow shape. Another one is flow action under post processing. You can call flow action tab under post processing. And savable data page can also be called from activity. Suppose during an activity execution, you want to write OBJ save. Instead of OBJ save, you can create one data page, savable data page, and call that savable data page here save data page. Using that OBJ save is not recommended. Save data page and call the data page. Understand clear, everyone? Just like that, I have chosen some data page. Just like that. Understand clear, everyone? So data page, savable data page can be called from how many places? 3 places. One is flow action under post processing tab. Action tab post processing option. Flow using save data page step shape, and activity using save data page method. Save data page method. Clear, everyone? Online students, are you clear? Every one of you.
Yes.
Online. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Now you see. Now you see. See, we have one more I'm sorry. We have one more option, no? Editable data page. Now load management tab. Do you have anything? Editable data page also gets created on clipboard under user pages only. The name itself says you can edit the data. You can edit that. Even savable also you can edit. Okay. So now, but savable is purpose of OBJ save and all updating. This editable is purely updating, not for saving. So when I choose savable data page option, if you scroll down, it will have an option. Data page save option, save into, I'm sorry, save options, local save by activity. Why not alternate option? Give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, please. I'll create a data page. Anyhow, we'll be practically working on all this. It's not that simply I'm going to leave it. Save type is database save. Into which class you want to save, you can mention here. Table class you'll mention. So the record of this data page will be saved into this particular class, whatever the class you provide, countries class, customer class, whatever it is. Okay. So now this data page, the data page which is editable will be created on clipboard under user pages category only. You can edit, means modify the data.